Welcome to Star Aspect Designs. Another week, another design. This week's design is a 3-bedroom bungalow that focuses on space efficiency, and of course it does take the Scandinavian design roof profile. This is the back of the house, where you have the gas cage, the Dobby sink, the kitchen yard. And then off to the side, where you can see the master bedroom right there, with its corner window extrusion. And that's the carport. And we're back to the front facade, which is the design I was talking about the Scandinavian design that takes the roof profile. That is what you see at this front facade. And then as we move, this right here is the path to the entryway. So that's your entry porch with your door right there. So as we move to the ArchiCAD file, this is what you see. So that's the front facade, and as I was stating, it does take the Scandinavian design that actually takes the roof profile and then has this additional feature at the front that actually provides shade to these windows at the living room. And also it gives the living room that additional height that gives it more airflow and actually gives it more grandeur. And then as we move to the side, that is what you see. And then I should state, as I always say, the golden rule. You should limit the material palette so that you don't have too much going on around your facade. So as you can see, we have that stucco there, and then we have the plaster, and then we have the natural stone. So that's the material palette for this particular house. That's the side profile. You have a corner window there for the bedroom, and then also at this bedroom here, you have an extrusion, which actually adds to the character of the facade and also gives the interior space a better experience, because the occupants then have a place where they can sit. You can put a pillow there that can actually be a place to relax and read your book rather than sitting on your bed all the time. So that actually offers options for the occupants. This is the back of the house with the gas cage there, and the gas cage always should always offer a direct line to the gas cooker. So that's why it's located right there instead of the normal location near the Dobby sink. So that's the kitchen yard there with the Dobby sink. And then as you move, this is the other side of the house that has the master bedroom. And as stated in the other bedroom, this protrusion here offers a lot of character both to the facade and also to the interior space, because to the facade it gives it that particular profile there that then enables you to have corner windows that offer panoramic views, and then also gives you the space to actually have seating within that space within the master bedroom. And of course the corner windows actually offer you more light into the space. So there's always advantages to that particular profile there. Then you have the carport that is attached to the entry porch. So that's what you have there. And we go back to the front facade, and that is what you see. So that's the entryway and the entry porch. So from the entryway, as usual, you enter into a foyer there. It's not really an enclosed foyer, but it gives the impression, where you have your entryway cabinet as usual, where you can leave your coats, your shoes, your bags as you get into the house. And then you have your dining room. This is a very open plan of the dining room and the kitchen. And then you can move into this corridor to the living room. And this actually offers the living room a bit more privacy, as you can see there. So when you look at the plan in totality, that is what you see. So you have the dining and then the living room. And then you have the 2 bedrooms with the shared facilities in between. The open kitchen with the pantry and the laundry room as you get outside into the kitchen yard. And then this door here leads to the master bedroom, which is right there, which is ensuite, with the bathroom there. So when we get into the individual spaces, let's start with the lounge. This is the lounge right there. And as I stated, the lounge actually takes the roof profile, which gives it more grandeur, and it also means that there's more airflow, because a bigger height equals more airflow, and it actually keeps the place cooler. So that's it for the living room. That is the TV wall there. You can design it however you want, but that's the design I went with. It gives it more character with some storage space. So that's the living room right there. And then you go to the dining room, which is this space there. So that's the dining room, which is adjacent to the kitchen, the open plan kitchen. That is what you see. So that's the kitchen there, which is open with the cabinet space and the cooker and the fridge. And then this door here leads into the pantry. So that's the pantry. And I find that with an open plan kitchen, the pantry is important, because there are some items you wouldn't want on display if you have an open kitchen. So the pantry offers some opportunity to hide some of the things in this kitchen. And then from the kitchen also you have that door there that leads to the laundry, which is also a passageway to the outside into the kitchen yard. So that's it for the kitchen. And then for the 2 bedrooms, you have these 2 spaces there. So you have bedroom 1. And this bedroom here, one thing I like about it is the opportunity it offers for more storage at this particular wall. Instead of just having an empty wall with beds, then you can actually construct more storage space there that will offer opportunity for storage for these 2 beds. And these are 2 4x6 beds, so it's quite efficient use of space. And then you have your wardrobes there and a reading space right there. Then this is the profile I was talking about on the facade, where you have the protrusion that then offers seating space here. You can put a pillow where then you can read. You can sit there and read your book or have some displays. You can even put niches on these walls here for more storage. And then you have the shared bathroom there. So this bathroom is shared between the bedroom that we just seen and this other bedroom here. And this bedroom here has a corner window also, but does not have so much character as the previous one. So since this bathroom is shared by these two bedrooms, this bathroom also acts as a cloakroom. And this is a compact design, so it's not like that toilet is so far away from the public areas. And when I say public, it's, well, you know what I mean. So that's why we have this other sink here, because then you don't have always to get into this bathroom here to wash your hands or any other thing. So you have that sink there for general utility. This is for the people who are dining here, or if you've just entered the house. Well, you know, with Corona these days, you have to wash your hands immediately you get in. Or just for general hygiene. Let's not blame it on Corona. This door here leads into the master bedroom. So that is the master bedroom right there, with the storage spaces there and there. So that is what you see. And then this protrusion here is what I was talking about at the facade. It actually gives you an opportunity to have this seating here. You could have it as individual seating, or you could also make it look like the bedroom 01 that we just saw, so that you have a slab and then put a pillow on top and have it be a laying space instead of the individual seating right here. And the corner windows offer that panoramic view, which also means more natural light into the space. And the other thing is that instead of the profile that other bedroom took, I chose this particular profile because also it means that the windows can go a bit lower. As you noticed in that other bedroom, the windows were limited, so you could not go this low with the windows because of the seating. I wanted that option with this bedroom so that you could get more light, and also now the curtains would fit better into this space because it's the master bedroom, so it has to look better than all the others. And then you have your bathroom there, the master bathroom. The master bathroom does have a bathtub and then a shower area, and then you have there the toilet, which is the concealed system, and the sink. So that is it for the whole house. That is the bird's eye view. For the entire house. Alright, so that's it for today. If you have any questions, please reach out to me in the email in the description box. You can also leave a comment. Tell me what you like about this house. Tell us what you could improve about the house, so that we can keep on educating ourselves. Design is not a one-off thing. You can modify it till the end of time. So please leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. As always, live large.